So for the first question, we may set the accident of pressure furnace tube rupture. So for the accident, we should choose the second one, and then we ensure that. Then we begin. Just wait for it to start. Okay. So let's see. Um, okay, choose the second one and let it to start. Okay, and then we can see that it has been success. So let's begin. So to ensure this kind of accident, firstly, we should just to close the value xv227, and this is for the inlet solenoid value xv227 for the fuel gas in the atmospheric furnace has been closed. Then we should close this one, change it to man-made, and change the value into 0, and we can see this value has been closed. And so for this minor operator, the inner regulating value TV204 for the fuel gas in the atmospheric furnace has been closed. And then we will close this one and this one. Okay, let's see this one. So for the main operator, the front and the rear hand values of XV230 and the XV231 of the fuel gas inlet control value TV204 for atmospheric pressure furnace have been closed. And so now, for the chief operator, the air intake of the fuel gas in the atmospheric furnace have been isolated. So next, we will change to here to close this one, change this to man-made, and change this to 0. Okay, and you can see the FV202 have been closed, and then for the second one, 203, changes to man-made, and changes to 0. Okay, okay, see, it has been closed. So now for the counter values FV202 and FV203 of the atmospheric furnace have been closed. And then we will close the fit value front XV205 and the rear hand XV206. And now for the chip operator, the front and rear hand values of the FV202 of the atmospheric furnace have been closed. And then for the FV203, the front one XV208 and the rear two XV209. So for the chief operator that the phyloid of the atmospheric furnace has been isolated, and then we will close the outlet values of XV20211 and XV212. So now for the chief operator, the exit line of the atmospheric furnace has been isolated. And then we will close the value of XV203 and the bottom P2103. Now for the chief operator, the primary, and then for the XV202. So now for the chief operator, the primary tower bottom pump P2103 has stopped. Then we'll close the okay, we find that. So now we will close the value XV6. Oh, open. We will open the value XV604 and now for the dispatch room that the atmospheric and the vacuum has been isolated and the place organized and emergency shutdown to ensure the safety of other ministries. Okay, and that's all for the accident of the pressure furnace tube rupture. Okay. Right.